Got these two. Yeah, it's actually warm enough in here for the compressor to kick on. That's the detail that goes into that. The cursive fonts, everything's even the knobs on these things. Check this out. Even the knobs on this thing weighs about a freaking pound.
Oh yeah, this is like back when shit was.
It's a freaking weapon, yeah.
Put that in the stock, knock someone out.
I don't know what the BTUs is on it. The nameplate's up there somewhere. This one, I don't think it's old enough to have the meter miser, but it's still pretty old. You know when to fire it up. Let's hear it. That's already cold. It's already balls ass cold. Again, same model. And yep, it's cold enough for the compressor to kick on. I wouldn't mess with the vent. Oh, that one's actually loose yet. Good. So the grills are a little busted up, especially on this one, but I'd say it's definitely a 220 model. It's quiet, very quiet. This one's the compressor only kick on. No filters really. That's freezing. Curiosity's getting the best of me. I have to know what the BTU is on it. Let's just pop it off. Tag on it. Can't read it. I'll read it in the video. Alright, that's it for now. I'll get a video of the outside of the rack. So it's not the meter miser. It sounds like the AJ to me. It's very quiet though. I've been driving by these two units for years and never got to see them or hear them. So this one here, the compressor don't run, probably a burned off terminal. The thermostat clicks as it heard, but doesn't fire the compressor up. And we are in Cumbola, Pennsylvania. In fact, let's see if there's one in the back. Nope, nothing in the back. It's just neat though to finally be able to get in here and see it in person. That's Route 209 right there in Cumbola, PA. Got the original mounting bracket and everything. The front grill's a little beat up, but what do you expect in a public location? That's so you can tell you're here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.